Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was India's third Prime Minister and the only women Prime Minister of India till date. She is considered by many to be the strongest Prime Minister India has ever seen. Number 1. You cannot shake hands with a clenched fist. Number 2. Forgiveness is a virtue of the brave. Number 3. The power to question is the basis of all human progress. Number 4. People tend to forget their duties but remember their rights. Number 5. Winning or losing of the election is less important than strengthening the country. Number 6. You must learn to be still in the midst of activity and to be vibrantly alive in repose. Number 7. Even if I died in the service of the nation, I would be proud of it. Every drop of my blood will contribute to the growth of this nation and to make it strong and dynamic. Number 8. Have a bias toward action. Let's see something happen now. You can break that big plan into small steps and take the first step right away. Number 9. Happiness is a state of mind, you know. I don't think you are permanently happy. One is happy about certain things and not so happy about others. Number 10. The collective judgment of the electorate must be respected.